Team Universe 7 from Dragon Ball Super. So we'll start with Goku, Vegeta, Tenshinhan, Piccolo, and Frieza. And Son Gohan, Krillin, Android 18, Android 17, Master Roshi, Old Kai, Shinkai, Kibito Kai, Jaco, Galactic King, Beerus and Whis, Grand Minister, the two Xenos and his bodyguard, and of course Super Shenron. So close up to its base. It's customized, it's 3D printed and painted by me. So that's it for my Universe 7 display. Thank you.